Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own pet store on Shopify. Or at least I'm going to try. Guys, this video is for complete beginners, so I'm just going to give you some directions on how to make your own pet store, guys. Pet supply store, guys, or whatever you want to do, pets oriented. So let's get started. First thing first that we need to do, guys, that we need to have, of course, is our Shopify account. You can see how it looks like, guys. This is mine right here. This is my online store. And first thing that I want to show you guys is down below. So I'm going to show you the free version. So right here you can see, guys, if you want to invest some money, guys, you can really do it easily. Down below you can visit the theme store, guys, and just take a theme for yourself, guys. You do not have to, of course, on Shopify. Just please, if you're a complete beginner, guys, I forgot to mention, you do not need any code knowledge, guys. You do not need anything. You just need your imagination, guys, your persistency, your discipline to make a good marketplace. So right here we can just type it in, guys, right here in theme section. Let's just see pet supplies, for example, and let's see, most of them will be, of course, paid ones. So right here we can see, guys, dollars. You can see this amazing theme, but let's check it out how it actually works with view demo store. So right here, yeah, this is a serious marketplace, guys, and probably if you're just a beginner, you can make this one. You can see how it looks like on the phone, guys. Really decent, amazing website, amazing marketplace, guys, really eye-catching and attractive, of course. And that's the most important thing, because right now I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you that the best and the most important thing that you need to overcome, that you need to comprehend in your head, guys, is that it ain't matter. It's really not that much about your product. It's about your marketplace when we talk about specifically in Shopify, guys. Of course, quality product is amazing, guys, but it's not a product that will sell itself in most cases, of course. There are some cases, of course, guys, but in most cases, the marketplace is the one and is the most important thing that will sell your product. Just picture this. Imagine if you want to buy an orange juice, for example, and you have two shops, left and right. Left one is colorful, bright colors, amazing palms, trees, plants, smiley people, guys. Everything looks beautiful. Everything is in, you have picture of oranges and everything, guys. And the right shop is just gray. It's just gray and it has no pictures, no plants, guys, nothing, no decoration, something like that. Just answer to me, in which shop will you go? In your head, it definitely doesn't matter in that point, guys. Maybe this is more fresh orange or something like that. Where will you go? Where will you step in, guys? Of course, me too, in the first one, guys, in the most colorful, in the more eye-pleasant shop, guys. And that's the same thing with the marketplace and Shopify. So what we need to do here is, you can see right here, plenty of great colors, guys, plenty of informations, but still in a minimalistic design. And what we need to do here, guys, is to just give it a shot. If you want to make your online store, guys, you need, of course, Canva. You need some maybe ChatGPT, guys, but Canva is number one option that we're going to use right now. Customize right here, and let's see our website. So right here we can check it out, guys. For example, header and footer, you can check it out. In header announcement bar, header ad section right here. So what we need to do here is image banner, guys. We're going to delete this ad section. For example, we're going to go with slideshow right here. So now we need some images. Featured collection, we're going to delete this. We need a slideshow. Image number one, guys, and image number two, for example, you can add more images. But again, as I said, you really don't have to. So add section, add footer right here, you can check it out how it looks like in general. Button label, guys, is right here. You can explore that as well right here, but we need pictures, as I said. So we can go to Canva. If you want to make some amazing pictures and some amazing banners, guys, you can go to custom size right here, type in 4320, and right here you need to type in 2160 pixels, create a new design, guys. And since we're creating for a pet store, guys, what we need is some pets, of course. So right here we go to elements, for example, type in some pet right here, guys, pets. Let's just see what will pop up, and we can see some photos, guys. Of course, plenty of them are premium ones, but we can use maybe some free ones, guys, and see what will pop up. So right here we can see this is our picture, for example, guys. You can add more pictures, you can add more text and everything. So let's see how this will work out. For example, this is one of our pictures. Looks amazing, colorful, as I said, guys, eye-catching. Text, we can see right here, guys, we need to add a text. So for example, what will do good? I mean, of course, I'm not a designer, guys, so this is up to you totally. This will be maybe a lame design, but I just want to show you the options that you have. So for example, right here, guys, don't forget, okay, so this is it. Okay, we know everything. So what we want to do here is to type in, for example, our pets will be right here, happy pets, and right here, happy pets, happy you. I like it. I mean, I like it. And right here, we need to see how to put it. Where should it go? Right here, maybe, or something like this. Maybe something like this. Happy pets, happy you, guys. Again, you can do even bit better design, but right here, let's just download this one. Download it, guys, of course, and now we're waiting for the download to be complete. So right here, as I said, you can see some amazing pictures, guys, out here on their site right here. As I said, some amazing ideas and everything. They have plenty of options right here in menu, but as I said, it's too much for you for one video. We need to do several videos about it, so I just want to show you for complete beginners how just to start, you know. So let's check it out. Let's paste it. Image number 1 right here. Select an image, guys. Right here we can check it out, for example the one that we already made, but we're gonna add some images. Let's just add some images. Add this one first. Let's see how it looks like. Done right here. And you can see how it looks, guys. Image slide, you can see we can delete this. We don't need. Heading size will be small, maybe large. Let's just stick with a small. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, okay. Tell your brands right here. We're gonna delete this also. We do not need it. Button label, guys, is right here. Okay, button label will be maybe check it out. Not with caps. Like this, maybe. I mean, I like it right here. Show container desktop. We do not need this one, so I just want a button to be right here. Okay, so middle center, you can switch it, guys, to bottom left, for example. You can see how it looks like. Top left, top center, guys, right here. Maybe is the best way to stay in this position, but again, as I said, not a designer. This is for you. So let's now add our second picture right here. Select image again, guys. We're gonna add some image. Go in downloads right here, guys. Select happy pets that we made a moment before on Canva. So one image is uploading. Let's see how much will it take to upload right now. Here it is. Let's press on preview, guys, right here, and done. So now what we have here is our second picture. We can scroll on our website, guys, right here and see. Here it is. You can check it out, guys. Image slide, tell your brand story through images and everything. Button label again is here, guys. We do not need any of it. Medium size, blah blah blah, and that button label. We do not need a container, guys, for that. So let's see how it looks like now. Okay. This is it. So again, we can switch it. We can go pay. This is a link for your button label, guys. So when people press on this button, it will be automatically transferred to the link that you paste right here. It can be your social media, it can be your product or something like that. We're gonna see that in further part. But again, right here, medium, heading size, small, extra large, or everything, guys. You can check it out for yourself right here. Image, you can change image, guys, and everything. So yeah, it's here. Desktop container alignment, you can even switch that, guys, right here to right. You can see how it looks like right here, but let's just take it to center. Also, I just want to do this just to see. Okay, that's it. So again, we have two images, guys, and this is super easy and super convenient for you. Again, it's here. It's your button label, guys. Again, we'll check it out again. Why not? Okay, so is it? Yeah, that's it. So you can see how it looks like. Happy pets, happy you, guys. This is your second image, second slide, guys, right here. So it's super easy. Again, I just want to point that out. In header section, you can see, guys, you can switch your header for top left, top center, guys, right here. You can see how it looks like. Down below, you can change the menu, remove menu if you wanna. You can set drop down menu, mega menu, guys, drawer or something like that. But again, that's all up to you. So down below, we can switch this to this right here. Maybe not, maybe to just gray one. Yeah, let's just keep it that way. Welcome to our stories up here, guys. I mean, that's also that we also supposed to change. Let's go back from header right here, top left, and scroll up. We can switch, I think, the color right here also to this. Let's just see how it will pop up. I don't know, I just like the black color, guys, combination. And right here we can see the scheme one, guys. Let's switch that out also. Okay, you have this menu right here, home, catalog, context, guys. You will also switch that up in further part, but again, as I said, it's super easy for you to just have this home page prepared for you. So again, it's up to you. Welcome to our store. This is the section that I said we need to switch. Again, happy pets, happy you, why not? No comma. Okay, and again, you can paste the link right here, guys. So you can see this is the first one right here. Header is here, add section, template, slideshow is done. Down below, we can scroll and see how it looks like. It's perfect. So what you can do next is add section, feature collection, featured products, guys. Right here, we can add that, and also down below, we can see how it looks like. So you can see right here, guys, it's really amazing. This is my store, and that you can see. So this is our product. What we need to do here is to, of course, add a product. We need to select the product, guys, right here, create a product, and you will be popped up in another page. So you can see title, description. You can use the AI. I will show it to you guys. It's super easy. So let's just say, for example, right here, dog bone or something like that. I'm not quite sure. I just want to upload the media to see what we have prepared, guys, right here in videos. Okay, bone. Open right here. We can see category is toy. Oh, let's see, there is a pet toys, coats, beds, hats. Okay, let's just press on toys. Let's just press on toys, guys, right here. So dog bone toy. Okay, description, what we need to generate text. You need to type in some prompts, guys, right here. Let's just see, it's organic cotton, relaxed fit, and so on. Dog bone toy. Let's just see what will pop up. Rubber. Generate. The power of AI, guys. So right here we can put the price. It's of course in different currency, guys. It's in my currency, so you can check it out right here. So let's just paste it. Right here we will type in maybe 500. Why not? Compare the price, guys. This is what will be your discount. So let's just see, from 700 to 500 right here, and cost per item is 300. So track quantity and so on and so on. You can do it for yourself, guys. You can see the kg, weight, and so on, guys, in grams and everything right here. Let's just put it 300 grams. Sorry, 300 grams. Add custom information, variants, add options like size or color. Color is green, toy game material, recommended age group, all ages, and so on. Dog bone toy, guys. You can see right here how it looks like. So you can press and say right here. We will check it out in a second. Product is created. You can check it out, guys, right here. The product is created. So let's just press and say right here. Go back and see what we have done. We can go again. Done. Customize, guys. Let's see, new pet accessories, guys. We have this. We have a slideshow. Example of a product title is here. Again, sold out, guys. Subscribe to our emails. Again, so what you need to do else, guys, as I said, is example product title is right here. We need to add a product. So down below, we need to go to your section of a product, guys. Featured product right here. Select a product, and here it is. Select. And here it is, guys. As we said, from 700, we have an amazing discount, guys, just for 500 currency units, whatever, guys. So right here, you can select the quantity, guys, right here, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Add the chart, guys, buy it now and everything. Subscribe to our email section is here. So as you can see, it looks beginnerish. I mean, it's for beginners. As I said, I just want to show you a couple of slides, couple of products. How can you add this? How can you add that? Announcement bar, how to switch that, guys. Happy Pets, Happy You is here. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I mean, okay, sorry, say right here, it's not this. This is a professional $300 theme, guys. There is a possibility for you to make it, but you need to watch plenty of videos. You need to have some course, maybe, guys, something like that. It doesn't matter that it requires no coding, but yeah, you should definitely consider either to pay, guys, or either to dedicate a huge amount of your time just to be in just to be able to do this. I mean, this is really serious, amazing work. Also, what I want to share with you guys is this right here. You can go back, guys, and see we typed it in, guys, some pets, if I'm right. We can go back to, let's go back to team collection right here, guys. Let's go back to done, exit right here. You have some free ones, if I saw it right. Visit team right here and check it out. Let's just price in, type in pets, pet supplies. We have 2 free ones. Let's just check them out, guys, right here. Escape. Okay, these are not pets one. So, okay, let's just see our site, what we made, guys. Happy Pets, Happy You Right here we can see the images, guys. Happy you. Right here you can see how it looks like. It's really amazing, a really great picture. Dog bone toe is here. You can see our product and subscribe to our emails. Pretty simple. It's super simple. Even menu is here, guys. Catalog right here, we can press, we didn't set that, but here is our product. One product. You can add more products in the same way as I added this one. So think about it. As I said, it's super easy. Just the first video, guys. We're gonna do a follow-up, of course. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, goodbye.